So we're down here in Leyton in East London. Scaffold's finally down now on our tuck pointing project we've been working on. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out, replaced all of the damaged bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in the tuck pointing style. So I'll just give you a little close up of how everything now looks. So as you can see, stunning finish to the brickwork as always. Refurb project, this one the builder's doing himself, so still got lots of work left to do. He's been doing some roof work here, doing another extension out the back, some more groundworks to be done, new front door, bits and pieces to set it all off. I believe he wants us to come back and do a new plinth on the base of the property once he's landscaped this and done all the groundworks here. We decorated all of the stonework as well, new fascia board and gutter. But it's nice to get some more videos of this once the landscaping's done. He's having a new wall being built with some new railings and brick piers, some coping stones, etc. So we will get some videos of that once it's all been completed. But as you can see, another stunning transformation. Looks really, really good. Looking forward to coming back and getting some videos of once the last bits and pieces have been completed. And once again, another project's been finished to the high standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.